Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan and in today's video I have got the cheapest Traxxas Slash project out with me once again. Now this is going to be the first time running it with the new metal spur gear. So in the most recent video I fixed a few things that were broken. The rear body mount had broken, so I replaced that with just a stock one. And then I also replaced the Nerf bars with these nice RPM ones. And then the other thing that I did was I replaced the spur gear with a metal 48 pitch, I believe 86 tooth spur gear. So now that's hardened steel. So this is going to be the first run after installing that. So it might sound a little bit different just because we're running a steel spur gear and a steel pinion gear, so it might make it a little bit more metallic sounding, if that makes sense. Oh, tumbled it. This thing is a monster. I really do need a wheelie bar on this. I might go over here into this grassy area over here and rip it around there. In between the trees. Kind of just fun to rip it around the trees, kind of like an obstacle course. The tires are ballooning quite a bit. They're struggling to get traction. That's kind of a constant issue with any of the two-wheel drive machines, it seems like, is that you can't get traction in the grass or anything. The tires just want to balloon up. Ooh. Ooh, I did not even see that there. Holy crap, I ran right into this like bird house. Let's see if everything's all right. I honestly did not even notice that there at all. I was oblivious. Well, looks all right. I wonder if the motor shifted. Yeah, something doesn't sound right. Actually, guys, after further investigation, it was just a stick that was caught in the rear, like in the rear axle. It was caught like right in between here and the wheel, and that's what was making all that racket. So we're still good to keep on going, I think. She's fast. She gets a move on, that's for sure. If you can get the power to the ground, the front just wants to lift, that's the issue. Maybe if I weighted down the front, I could get a good top speed in with this thing. Nice top speed run. Ooh, I can feel that. That does not feel good. We can go on to the play equipment, why not? I wonder what type of speed I can get across the field like this. I mean, because I have a good amount of space here. I've got this whole expanse right here, so let's go ahead, see if we can get that power to the ground. I don't want to have to walk all the way down there and get it though, that's the thing. All right, let's bring it back. That's about the most power I'm gonna get to the ground without the thing like flipping. That's pinned. And as you guys can see, it really, I don't know if those shocks really can, I don't know if they can soak up the bumps very well. It is a very bumpy ride, I have to say. So far, nothing's broken, guys. I don't want to jinx it, but so far, so good. Bring it by again. Bye-bye. Wow! Bring it around the tree for another flyby. Hard to keep that nose down. Badlands are hooking up. Ooh, I almost hit that tree, crap. Nice. I think we hit low voltage mode, guys. But I don't think we broke anything. I'll have to look it over, but I think it's good. But if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps out the channel as well as this video. And I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. More upgrades to come with this RC. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. Later.